Like if I look up here at the corner, the sun reflects directly into my eyes.
Right there.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Today is the day.
It's not going to be a fun day.
No, we're both severely dreading this with almost zero motivation, but it needs to be done. So here we are.
And it's getting F11.
Yes, we are going to F11 this beast. Luckily, it's nice and cloudy out today. It's been raining off and on, so it's a pretty good day to wash. What we're going to do first is we're going to power wash the nose, try to knock off all the bugs, try to get up before.
Is amazing. It's an electric pressure washer. I was always gotta have gas, and we got this, and I love this pressure washer.
So as you can see, I'll get up close where you can kind of see all the dirt, grime, bugs, mostly bugs, and hopefully we will have a decent after to show. It is raining while we wash.
Yeah, nothing like washing the Airstream in the rain. Really don't need to rinse.
Yeah, it's doing a pretty good job. But I think we are about done with the basic wash.
It pretty much, the whole time I was on the front, Lynn made it all the way around washing the trailer.
Yeah, we did it as a team effort, that's for sure.
So I got probably 99% of the bugs off the front. Now it's kind of like, wash it again, and then do the fine little bugs.
Yep, we're gonna go through it with a fine-tooth comb and get everything off because we want it to be as clean as possible, just like our trucks.
It definitely collected less bugs on the front when I had a truck with a cap on it.
Oh, that's true. I never really thought about that.
And now it's just a magnet. We've never pulled these guards back. These rock guards are really nice, but they really collect dirt.
Yeah, there's a window guard.
And look at all this around here. This was full of leaves when I pulled it back.
And you can still see some leaf remnants. I'm kind of wondering, like, man, how the heck did they get up in there? But they do.
There's a gap up here at the top.
I was like, it's sealed. So yeah, this is actually, we're gonna give it a deep cleaning. It needed it though.
It's mostly dry now. We did hand dry it a little, nothing crazy. There's still like crazy water spots, but
yeah, and there's a couple of droplets on a low spot, like right there, but
it's good enough to start doing the F11. I'm really hoping we have enough to cover all this.
I think we will. You just have to, a little bit goes a long way.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna get started because we're probably not gonna get it all done today, I don't think.
It'll be questionable.
And if we don't, we'll just finish it tomorrow. Tomorrow is supposed to be a much nicer day. Yeah,
it's supposed to be like 81 and sunny. But so far, just with the wash, the Airstream is looking much better. Oh yeah, it's such a big difference, but we washed it better this time than we have ever. Yeah. You were very careful, very thorough. I guess we'll get to it. We're done. It's a day later, but we're done. Finally. It only took 2 days. Yeah, well, we figured we wouldn't get it all done yesterday. And waking up refreshed today gave us more motivation. Yeah, it's actually still morning. It is. It is still morning. It doesn't make as drastic of a difference as it did on our vehicles, but it made a big difference. Especially on the windows is where you can tell. I think the deeper the color, the more you can tell. Yeah, I think so, because like our trucks are black and it really made it look deeper. I don't know how to say it, made it look more black. Yeah.
But yeah, you can definitely tell that it's got a nice shine to it now, and it feels nice and smooth.
Yes, it's very silky smooth. Everything's very shiny now and very reflective. It's like a mirror when you walk down the sides of it and everything. You can see just all the reflection, like the ladder, myself.
One word of caution, if you're going to use it on stainless, it's a pain. Top Coat F11 is an absolute pain on stainless. These rock guards are all stainless, and it didn't give it a nice, like, smooth, uniform finish. You can see if you look real close, it's like streaky. But something that we did notice when we cleaned these is these are just littered with dings.
Yes, they've done their job.
Yeah, it's what they're here for, to catch all the rocks. I don't know if you can see them all.
Yeah, there's some dings. And those are actual dings from rocks and everything, not the rivets. But I think we're going to pull this out.
Yeah, we put it in the middle of the garage so that we could get around it. Now I want to scoot it back over, but when we pull it out, it's nice and sunny, so we should get a much better view of it.
We wanted to show how much we used over the course of both of our vehicles and the Airstream.
This bottle is right here. You can see the level. And then this bottle is almost just under the top of the label.
So a little does go a long way.
A very long way. I thought for sure we'd use all of this on the Airstream, but we didn't.
Nope, not even close. We also wanted to make note that it does say on the bottle to let it cure for 12 to 48 hours before getting it wet.
Now that it's out in the sunlight, you can really get blinded.
Yes, it's quite shiny, and I don't have my sunglasses, and I wish I did.
It was shiny before, but now it's like hurt my eyes shiny.
Yeah. The camera thinks it's shiny.
It's definitely shiny. Like if I look up here at the corner, the sun reflects directly into my eyes. Definitely looks cleaner.
Yeah.
Especially the nose. There was so many bugs on the nose of this thing.
Yeah, I'll have to get close up to the nose again just to show how the bugs are gone finally. For how long? Who's to say? Even did the LP tank cover.
Once again, Top Coat F11 did an amazing job for us. If you haven't seen the video where we did it to our trucks, we'll put that at the end of the video. We'll have a link in the description if you want to buy this product. It's expensive, but it does such a darn good job. Everything's so smooth and shiny now.
The feel is something that you can't see on video. It just feels like silk.
Even the shininess of it doesn't really show in video like what you see with your eyes.
I agree.
So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.
See ya.